17 Chevy Malibu. Gonna check the cabin air filter on this car. Go over to the glove box. And what I'm gonna want to do first is disconnect this damper cord that's right here. All you need to do is grab it, and all you gotta do is pull it towards you, and it'll just pop right out. You can see it right here. And you're gonna need to pull the glove box inward, get it past the plastic right here. That side just popped right out. Okay. Once you do that, you can lower the glove box down. And right in here is where your cabin filter is going to be. What I'm going to do is come up, push this tab in right here, unlock the box. Same thing on this side. Unlock the box. Pull it down. Be careful with it. It's a little tricky on this side because the glove box is kind of in the way. Go ahead and remove the filter. Just pull it right out. I'm just going to check on this one right here. I don't really have a new one. I just kind of want to see what kind of condition it's in. My car is pretty, it's got some pretty low miles. But, yeah, it's kind of dirty. I think I'm going to go to order one of these. I'll leave a link down in the description box where I'm going to get mine at. But, I don't want to stir it up too much because it's kind of dirty. But when you get your new one, you just pull this one all the way out. Stick the new one all the way back in there. And get the door. And all you got to do is just push it back, snap it back together. And get the glove box. All you gotta do is push it back up, get it past, get this back where it needs to go. So the stop. And the damper here. Just put it back in. Right. Push it down and it'll click, and that's it.